You got your dino in the ball pit? He's got a ball in his mouth. What? He's got a ball in his mouth? Yeah. Bye, Dino. And the ball. You playing in your ball pit? And there goes all the balls. Out of the ball pit. Along with all the 10 million other toys that we get to clean up later. When I say we, I mean Dad. Yep, so that's all of her toys and her books that she's been throwing over there earlier today. And I get to clean it all up. It's great. She will, air quotes, attempt to help clean up. But that's like herding cats with a 2-year-old. We'll try. And then she'll be like, I'm bored. I'm going to run away. But it is what it is. And now I get to clean up 100, well, actually 200 balls that she'll continue to throw out. Even if I tell her no. But we still love her.